In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Excel themes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting that controls Excel's overall appearance, including light and dark modes, and how to switch to the look that's most comfortable for you. Start with Excel open on your computer. We're changing the application theme, which affects things like the ribbon, menus, and background, not the colors inside your worksheets. To get there, go to the top left corner of Excel and click File. This opens the Backstage view, where you manage app-wide settings. If your window is small, you might need to expand it to clearly see the File tab. Inside the File view, look down the left sidebar and click Options. This is usually near the bottom of the list. The Options window is where Excel keeps its general preferences and personalization controls. It might open in a separate dialog box in front of your workbook. When the Excel Options window appears, you'll land on the General category by default. Stay here. Scroll, if needed, until you find the section labeled Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. This section controls how Office apps, including Excel, look and feel on your screen. Within that section, locate the setting called Office Theme. Open the drop-down and choose the theme you want. Colorful uses Excel's signature green accents and keeps the interface bright. Dark gray and black reduce brightness significantly, which can help with eye strain in low-light environments. White gives you a clean, classic look with high contrast. As you try different options, think about your lighting and how long you'll be working. Darker themes can be more comfortable for extended sessions, while lighter themes can make icons and text stand out. After selecting your preferred theme, confirm your choice by clicking OK at the bottom of the Options window. Excel will apply the change to the interface. In most cases, you'll see the new theme immediately. If it doesn't update right away, closing and reopening Excel will finish the switch. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Changing the Office theme affects your view of Excel and often carries over to other Office apps on the same device, helping keep things consistent. It doesn't change the content or formatting inside your spreadsheets and won't affect what anyone else sees when they open your files. If you ever want to revisit your choice, return to File, open Options, and adjust the Office theme again. That's it. You've successfully changed the Excel theme and personalized your workspace for comfort and clarity.